Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install WhatsApp without Play Store on OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. So technically we could just go into Play Store and install it from here, but maybe you do not have this option. Maybe you are coming from away phone, or for whatever reason you cannot use Play Store. Well, if that's the case, we can go, instead of the Play Store, to the browser itself. Now, in the browser, you want to head into search and start typing in WhatsApp. And then you want to simply add download. If this is the first time using the browser, you have to accept or reject the cookies. And now we should see at the top WhatsApp Messenger, but you'll notice that this is actually a redirect link to the Google Play. Instead, let's scroll down a little and click the official whatsapp.com application. Site. And here you should see something like this. Now be careful, do not click get it on Google Play, as this will also redirect you to the Google Play itself. Instead, you want to click download WhatsApp directly. Now we are downloading the file. We can click it to see the download status, and as you can see, it's already downloaded. So we can hit open, and we can then hit that nice .apk button. Now, for security, our phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. This is completely normal. In order to get rid of that, we want to click settings and then simply enable allow from this source. And now we have the ability to install our WhatsApp. We want to click install, and in any moment now we should be able to simply open our WhatsApp, and as you can see, we can just use it however we want as a normal WhatsApp, and it's the exact same version that we would otherwise download from our Google Play Store. So anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.